It's simple to make, healthy, with a lot of vegetables, and it's going to warm your winter days up like a lovely hug from your grandmother. What I'm talking about? Minestrone soup. Welcome to my channel, I'm Benedetta and today I'm gonna share with you my family recipe to make a minestrone. Before getting started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to support me, and of course to click on the bell button to get notifications every time there is a new video. And now let's get started. Coming to the main ingredients, of course we are talking about vegetables, fresh vegetables, seasonal vegetables. You can find the list of the ingredients I used for this minestrone in the description box down below this video. Clean your vegetables and cut them into small pieces. The smaller, the better. Potatoes, leek, pumpkin, carrots, celery, and so on. Place all the chopped vegetables inside a big pot. Here I'm adding my green leaves vegetables, and as you can see I'm breaking simply by hand the biggest leaves. And now add water, not only to cover the whole vegetables, but at least 4 or 5 times the whole quantity of your vegetables. Stir all the ingredients. I add just 2 handfuls of sea salt. During cooking time the flavor will develop, and then at the end I'm going to check and eventually adjust the saltiness. Also in this case I'm going to add just at the beginning 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce. If at the end I want a more red minestrone, I'm going to add more. All this because flavor and color will change during the long cooking time. One of the secret ingredients to make a flavorful minestrone soup is using the rind of Parmigiano Reggiano. So what I do usually is keeping the rind once the Parmigiano Reggiano is finished. So simply remove a little bit the impurities that can be on the rind using a grater or a knife, and then you are ready to use it. And your minestrone soup is gonna have also a beautiful umami flavor. So last step, add the Parmigiano Reggiano rind to your minestrone. Cover, not completely, with the lid and turn on the heat at medium-high heat. During the cooking time, check it once in a while and be sure that it doesn't burn at the bottom. Minestrone must cook for at least 3 hours or until it's halved. 10 minutes before the end, add your peas and beans, in this case borlotti beans, a typical Italian kind of beans. Stir everything and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Our minestrone is finally done. Remove your Parmigiano Reggiano rinds and it's time to serve it. You can also choose to add pasta, for example ditalini, a short kind of pasta, perfect for minestrone. Simply cook it in the minestrone following the instruction, and be sure the pasta is al dente. Complete with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, or maybe with some crunchy bread. As always, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. In that case, thumb up, and see you next week with a new Italian recipe. Buon appetito!